All right, today we're going to be estimating products. This is another Chapter 3 skill. In this, we're going to need to use rounding, and we're going to need to know that our action word is going to be about. So anytime they see that word about, they should be boxing it, and that should tell them that they're going to have to round first. So if I had, say, 26 times 72, instead of actually completing the problem and finding the exact amount, we're going to round both of these numbers first to their nearest 10. So we're going to underline that 2. Looking next door, our neighbor is a 6, and 6 is 5 and more. Raise the score, so our 2 is going to have to become a 3. Everything to the right, 0 is my name. I'm going to do the same over here for the 72. Rounding, I'm going to round down because 4 and less, let it rest, so our 7 is going to stay the same. So just like we did on our mental math multiplying by tens video last, we're going to do 3 times 7, which is going to be 21, and then we're going to count our zeros, 1 and 2. Okay, sometimes we may have a problem that shows hundreds. We may have, say, 128 times 52. All right, and this one I would say round to the nearest 10. Okay, if I had hundreds over here, I could tell them to round to the nearest 100. Just make sure that they are trying to look for those action words about and which place value I want them to round to specifically. Again, so if we rounded this one, we're looking next door. 8 is 5 and more, so we're going to raise the score. This 2 here becomes a 3. Everything to the left stays the same. Everything to the right, 0 is my name. I'm going to pretend I don't have this 1 here that I just added at the last second. And we're going to round to our 5 here. And 2 and less, we're going to let it rest. So that 5 is going to stay the same. So just like we did in our mental math video, we would then just need to multiply our 13 times our 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. Carrying that 1, 5 times 1 plus 1, 65, 1 0. Oops, 2 zeros. And done.